Ever wondered how to maximize your garden space and add a touch of elegance at the same time? Welcome to the exciting world of vertical planting, achieved through DIY Garden Trellis Designs. They offer space efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Stay tuned for the top 5 DIY garden trellis designs that will transform your garden. Starting off with a simple and eco-friendly design, the bamboo stick trellis. With just bamboo sticks and twine, you can construct an ideal support for climbing plants like beans and peas. A bamboo stick trellis is a quick and easy way to create a natural look in your garden. Next up, a design that combines functionality with a vintage touch, the ladder-style trellis. Crafted from wood planks and nails, this trellis is versatile, accommodating various climbing plants with ease. The ladder-style trellis is a charming addition that supports a variety of plants. For a more modern look, consider the wire mesh trellis. This design marries wire mesh with wood frames for a durable structure. Its strength makes it perfect for heavier climbing plants, offering them robust support. Sturdy and sleek, the wire mesh trellis is a contemporary option for your garden. For those who love upcycling, the pallet trellis is a fantastic choice. Transformed from a simple pallet, this trellis exudes rustic charm. Ideal for a variety of climbing plants, it's an eco-friendly design that adds a touch of whimsy. The pallet trellis is an eco-friendly solution that adds rustic charm to your garden. Finally, for a grand statement, the arch trellis is the way to go. To build it, you'll need metal rods or wood. Its dramatic effect is ideal for roses or vines, adding a touch of charm. The arch trellis is a showstopper, perfect for creating a garden centerpiece. So, which trellis design caught your eye? Whether it's the simplicity of the bamboo stick, the rustic charm of the ladder style, the practicality of wire mesh, the upcycled pallet, or the grand arch, each offers unique benefits for vertical planting. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!